Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am so excited because I'm going to be reviewing the Belle Jorden collaboration with Obsession. I only recently discovered Obsession a little while ago in my I'm hungry. Only a little while ago in another video, so I'm really glad that they're getting a bit more recognition. They are part of the Makeup Revolution brand, so it's really great that they're getting more recognition. And first of all, can we talk about this packaging? It is crazy. It looks so nice and so high end. So these are the colours. They are stunning. So as you can see, they're all quite autumnal colours. They've got some shimmers in here, they've got some foily shades. This one I am interested in because it's like matte but it's also got shimmer in there. They've all got really cute names, so I think we're just going to create a bit of an autumnal look using them, and then we'll look at the lip glosses afterwards. So yeah, let's get into it. So I'm going to the theatre this afternoon. I'm excited. But I kind of want something like a little bit low-key, but at the same time, it's me.
This is broken, still want you to be closer with me, stuck in the middle of it all. I gotta figure it out right now, cause I know what you need. You want only the best, and nothing but the best from me. I gotta figure it out right now, cause I know what you need. You want only the best, and nothing but the best from me. With you, the mix of all the feelings is so new. Gotta find my devotion, stay true, so I can be in all this for you. I gotta figure it out right now, cause I know what you need. You want only the best, and nothing but the best from me. I gotta figure it out right now, cause I know what you need. You want only the best, and nothing but the best from me.
The shadows all blended out really nicely. I look like a little raccoon right now, but like a pretty raccoon, I feel. This is really good. I've used Obsession eyeshadow palettes before and they are so good. They are so underrated. I think people kind of ignore them. Oh, can you not? I feel like people kind of ignore them just because of the prices, and maybe it puts them off and they think, well, maybe they're not very well made, or maybe they're not whatever. But the colour payoffs were all really great. I really like the pigmentation. I like the mix of colours that you get. I'm very impressed. I'm definitely going to be using this in the future. I'm coming for this colour here and this colour here. Good job, Belle Jorden. Good job, Obsession. I think that's like one of the first positive, fully positive reviews that I've done on this. So let's hope that the lip glosses hold out. You get 3 different lip glosses, which all look kind of similar shades, but they're not. This one's like a little bit darker, and this one's a little bit more peachy, and then this one's a very intense nude. So they are called Wishes. This shade is called Wishes. This shade is called Ditzy. And this shade is called Ever After. So I think I'm going to go... I think I'm going to go for Wishes. Hey! Why am I so creepy? Weird. I don't know this shade. This is the thing. I want to try these out, but I wouldn't pair this, these sort of nudie shades with this. You know, you guys know me. I'm extra. I would go full on dark lipstick. Oh, my mouth looks like trash because of that Anastasia Beverly Hills one. It's a wee bit patchy. I don't like the shade very much, but I'm not sure if it's just that I don't like it on me. Oh no, it was going so well. Right, okay, I'm gonna try another one. I'm gonna try a warmer one maybe. We'll try Dipsy. Maybe they just call them lip glosses to get away with the fact that they're super patchy. So I don't think I'm gonna go and wash it off again because my lips literally hate me right now. But I'm gonna apply Dipsy over the top and see if that makes any difference. I hate. Ugh, I just hate the colours. The formula does not feel great either. Makes your lips look quite like big and juicy. This one is the only one that I would say is like a properly like lip glossy. Oh, it's so bad. I'm so disappointed because I loved the eyeshadow so much. Let me zoom in and see if it looks better. I'm not happy with this. It looked like foundation lips to me. They are so bad, and I'm really weirded out because I've seen people say really good stuff about them. Maybe I've just got like a really bad batch, but they are so like patchy. They just look really like clumpy and weird. They don't make your lips look nice at all. I would like to try Dipsy over the top of like a liquid lipstick. I'm gonna wash it off one more time and put this Beauty Pie lipstick on, which will go really nicely with this look, and put this over the top and see if that makes a difference. So I'll be right back. So that's the finished look there. Eyes I am obsessed with. I think it looks so pretty. The lips, as you guys know already, were a mess and trash. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and comment and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.